Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be reviewing Burt's Bees Cleansing Oil with coconut and argan oils. This one right here is 100% natural and it is for normal to dry skin. Coconut oil acts as a natural moisturizer that helps soften and smooth the skin, and then the argan oil is rich in antioxidants and nourish skin, but it won't leave an oily residue. So the basic concept about using a cleansing oil is that oil will dissolve oils. What this oil is going to do is to break down the other oil that it has been produced throughout the day that is already hard, full of impurities, full of makeup, dirt, pollution, everything that is just stuck in your pores is going to dissolve it, and then with the steam and the warm water, what it's going to do is just to melt it down. This is one of my favorite parts. I'm going to show you how to use Burt's Bees cleansing oil. So the way I see how to use this cleansing oil, it is in two steps. First, it is important to have clean hands. It says dispense product into dry hands, gently massage over dry face, and then the second step, you need to wet your hands and gently massage product onto face, rinse thoroughly, pat dry. So the cleansing oil goes first, and then you use your foaming or hydrating cleanser. I would like to start saying that this product actually removes makeup and skincare and sunscreen really well. When I was just applying the product, I saw on my hand all the sunscreen I applied, so that was like a cool thing to see that this cleansing oil actually removes that. And then the other thing that I have to point, and it was one of my concerns, was the oily residue on my skin, but this cleansing oil didn't let my skin oily or anything like that. The result that you get after you cleanse is just a softness, but it's not oily at all. One of the things that I really like about this product, it is the dispenser. It comes with a lock, so you can take it anywhere with you. I think this is a great option for someone that is thinking of trying a cleansing oil. You can test the consistency, you can test how it leaves your skin without spending that much money. This product doesn't say if it is safe to use it around the eye area, but you're using oils and you gotta be careful when you apply around the eye area because it can get inside your eye. This is a quick update. My eyes are burning a little bit. Everything was fine, but after a minute I rinsed off the cleansing oil, as you can see, and they were super irritated and they got red. It is kind of like a shame that it doesn't say that it's not safe to use it around the eye area, because it's not. I did the same thing when I used almond oil and I don't get that reaction. If you want to become part of this organic family, the only thing you have to do is to subscribe, and I'll see you on Monday. Pura vida!